Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is April weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Gemini. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Gemini and what's going on? High Priestess with 5 of Wands. I think you are listening to your inner self a lot in these recent times. You are trusting your intuition, and there was a lot of drama between you and your person in recent past. For some it's still going. There is a lot of drama going between you and your person. For some, your person may be trying for your attention. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Cups, Ace of Swords and the Moon. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see, King of Cups. I think someone was approached in past to offer their love to you, and there was communication between you and your person. But there was something mysterious in this connection. There are some illusions, maybe some differences between both of you. So there was communication happened between both of you, and it was very important for both of you. Truth coming out. There was some communication with clarity was happened in past, where there is no, maybe there are some disturbances, there is no clarity in past, but for some you are getting clarity, for some you got clarity, especially you got. In past there is no clarity, but you are now got your clarity because the Moon with Ace of Swords, truth coming out and getting clarity. The message is you got your clarity, the message. Then present, King of Swords, Page of Cups and 7 of Wands. So you stand by your power. Now you are very logical, Gemini. So in past maybe you are very emotional, King of Cups, but now you transformed from King of Cups to King of Swords. So now you are very logical. Then someone is coming towards you, some message, apology is coming, and this person won't give up on you. They will fight for your attention because 5 of Wands is here, and you are very defensive now. You are very defensive. Now you are thinking through your logical mind, but they can't let you go. They will fight for your attention. They're coming back with an apology. If you are in separation, if you, maybe you both have some disturbances between both of you. Then future, Ace of Wands, Knight of Swords and 6 of Swords. Maybe you decided to move on from this person, but they are rushing to communicate with you. They want to fix the things between both of you because they still want new beginnings with you. Your person is very, very passionate about your Gemini. There is a lot of passion still between both of you, and you are doing your work with a lot of passion. You still attracted to this person, but you decided to move on, but they're coming back to communicate with you. They're in rush and they want to communicate to fix the things between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Gemini, let's see your person feelings. Your person feelings towards you, Gemini. Yeah, they're very attracted to you. They're very passionate about you. And yeah, you are their wish fulfillment. And King of Cups under the deck. So they want to offer their cup of love to you. They are very, very attracted to you, Gemini, and they're very passionate about you. They want passionate new beginnings with you, and they're wishing for, and yeah, they're wishing for this. They want a brand new beginnings with you, and you are their wish fulfillment. So let's see their actions, Gemini. Your person actions towards you. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. So Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups and Princess of Wands. Definitely one person is younger than the other person in this connection, and they really want to offer this love to you. Ten of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. So for some, if you are in separation with your person, they want to take this relationship to next level. For some, if you are in separation, if you are in relationship with your person, but your relationship is on and off connection, now your person want to be marry you, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, there is upgrade in relationship. Your person really want to do this because they are very attracted to you, they are very passionate about you, they have strong emotions for you, Gemini. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you, and they're spying on you on social media. They're wondering about you. They want reconciliation with you. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah. Upgrade in relationship, Gemini. They're really thinking about you and they're spying on you. But you are holding back, maybe because Six of Swords energy is also here, because this connection causing a lot of anxiety energy in you. That's why maybe you are holding back. For some, you have trust issues. You are not trusting this person. Maybe in past they hurt you, but now they are coming back with commitment, but you are not trusting them. That's why you are holding back. But there is message. They are spying on you. They're watching you. That's why they will send some message, apology to you. Definitely there is communication is coming, but you are holding back. See, maybe you are at some crossroads. You are very indecisive about making decision right now. Yeah, communication is coming. You both will communicate. Right now, for some, you both are in separation, feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. But there was communication. Will open up between both of you. There will be back and forth communication in the month of April. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, there is communication, apology is coming. Maybe your person is immature. For some, children also involved in this connection. For some, you are concentrating on your career, on your self-growth. They're very, very passionate about you. They're very attracted to you coming back. You are also feeling missed opportunity with this person, even though you are holding back. So let's see. Your person overall energy for the week, Ace of Pentacles. Long-term commitment is coming. They really want to work on this relationship. They are heartbroken without you. They're missing you so much. And the Star card. Yeah, they are wishing for this connection. They have high hopes on you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. A time for healing. And nothing will come out of this situation. So it will take some time to open up communication between both of you. A time for healing. So if you have any trauma or regarding this connection, you have any past hurts, it is the time for healing. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.